Hey folks, welcome to 18 Temple Road in Wilton, Maine. 2 floors, 2 different living spaces, and a large barn that can be converted into anything you can imagine. Let's go check it out. Currently set up for 2 separate living spaces, this home is perfect for multi-generational living. A property that offers flexibility, space, and endless possibilities. Or use it as a primary residence with an accessory dwelling unit for guests or rental income. And if you prefer, it can easily be converted back into a spacious 4-bedroom home.
I was hoping you would save me like a little girl clinging to your jaw.
Out back, enjoy a large yard and deck, perfect for relaxing, entertaining, and making memories. The attached barn adds incredible value, featuring an insulated workshop, storage, and finished bonus space. With Sunday River and Sugarloaf both an hour away, outdoor adventure is always within reach. And the nearby Whistle Stop Trail? It offers miles of scenic biking and walking.